The Cooler Master QUBE 500 gaming case arrives as a flatpack chassis, turning assembly into a genuinely enjoyable do-it-yourself project while trimming down shipping waste. Its modular panels and fully removable sections make hardware installation and cleaning much easier than on most traditional mid-tower cases. Despite the compact footprint of roughly 33 liters, it comfortably fits full-sized components, including extended ATX motherboards and very long graphics cards. Cooling potential is excellent, with support for multiple radiators and numerous fan positions that can handle high-end gaming or workstation thermals. The tempered glass side panel and clean, angular design give the case a premium look that shows off internal components without being overly flashy. Thoughtful touches like a modern front input and output layout with high-speed USB Type-C and an integrated carrying handle make this case especially convenient for frequent builders and event goers.